In the medieval world, medicine was a strange blend of superstition, tradition, and experimentation. Few remedies captured the imagination or the purse strings of Europe more than theriac, later known as treacle. Far from the sticky syrup we associate with the word today, medieval treacle was a legendary concoction believed to cure almost anything. Its most infamous ingredient, the flesh of vipers. The origins of theriac reach back to antiquity. The word comes from the Greek theriakon, meaning pertaining to wild beasts, and it originally referred to antidotes for venomous bites. In the 2nd century CE, physician Galen perfected a recipe of staggering complexity. Over 60 ingredients, including opium, honey, spices, and crucially powdered snake flesh. The logic was that by consuming poison in small amounts, vipers, being the chosen source one, could build resistance and ward off harm. The idea mirrored the principle of Mithridatism, the belief that taking small doses of poison could immunize the body. As the Roman Empire declined and medieval Europe arose, theriac evolved into treacle, a thick tar-like substance sold in apothecaries as the ultimate cure-all. Its reputation grew so mighty that it was thought to combat plague, fevers, poisoning, and even spiritual afflictions. Cities such as Venice became famous for producing official treacle, with elaborate public ceremonies in which apothecaries prepared the mixture under strict supervision to prove its authenticity. The preparation of treacle was part medicine, part theater. Recipes called for dozens of ingredients. Exotic spices like cinnamon and saffron, roots, herbs, honey, wine, and of course dried and powdered vipers. Apothecaries mixed them into a paste, which was then left to mature for months or even years, supposedly improving its potency. The expense was immense, and jars of true Venetian treacle were prized commodities traded across Europe. But did it work? In truth, treacle probably provided some mild relief for pain and fever. Its opium content would have dulled suffering, and honey or herbs might have eased certain ailments. Yet its claim to cure plague or provide universal immunity was pure myth. Still, in a world with few effective treatments, the belief in treacle's power was often as important as its actual effects. Treacle's prominence lasted for centuries. Even into the 17th century, it appeared in official pharmacopoeias as a recognized medicine. Shakespeare mentions treacle in his plays, using it to mean both a poison antidote and a cure. Only with the rise of modern medicine in the 18th and 19th centuries did treacle fall from grace, relegated to history as one of the grandest and strangest cure-alls ever concocted. The story of treacle reveals the blurred boundaries between medicine, ritual, and belief. Two medieval minds, a potion made of dozens of ingredients, including the most feared of creatures, seemed to harness both nature and magic. Today it stands as a reminder of how far medicine has come and how deeply humans have always sought hope in a bottle.